tomorrow?
No. Nice. Oh, so this is completely separate from the frame too?
Yes.
So we could
Now it should be much easier to put on.
take this
In there.
up here.
And
We have to hold this now too, because this is loose.
let's do this. Let's flip this upside down.
Oh.
And I want to make sure that I want to the bottom plates.
Oh, this is not. This is loose too.
That's the fan. Noise inside.
Is that supposed to come out?
Yeah, so this that piece there. 04.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
that.
it's missing that.
Yep, that's missing the lock.
Nope.
Yeah, that's how it goes. That's the lock.
Okay.
I need the lock and I need the rubber pieces here. That's fine.
Okay.
I need the.
And then
Now that goes from underneath after.
from like that.
So
Oh.
that there, and the little locking goes from underneath.
Okay. So then we put
So
that
now
in.
we flip it.
Got
This
it.
goes right through the rubbers.
Yeah.
And then
Grab the fan too, or just leave the fan?
just leave the fan for. Right inside.
Okay. I don't think this is.
Holy.
I don't need you to deal with it. I just need you to look at this right now.
I'm not gonna look at that at this second. I got 15 minutes and I'm done.
No. It's like 30 seconds when you look at it.
Nope. At this second. That are narrow. First should be all the same as this. Yep. So these are for all of these rooms. But we need to go through that other bracket as well. Now we gotta fit the bracket under.
So this one right here too? All three of these?
Bolts out. No, backwards. This faces the back. Because these squares have to be free so the radiator sits in there.
I didn't get what I'm talking about.
That's,
Yep.
so they are, line up with that square, that opening, see
This
there's,
one?
yeah. So just spread open, there you go.
Okay,
Leave everything loose so we can tighten everything in the end.
Is that too tight?
Yeah, I need it loose just to start it before his hand takes it. There we go. Like so.
And I put the radiator in?
Yeah, now we gotta get
Deal
the
with-
radiator, get the hoses.
Okay.
Careful to perforate it.
I don't know how this thing treads or anything. I don't know how this works.
You have your radiator on the
hole?
spot?
Uh,
Screw off. Put it on there. Sorry, it's not. Put the spacer on the radiator valve. That might help. Okay. Let me do the hose for you.
yeah.
Come on this side. If the clip is not off, it will never get in. The hose should slide into the fitting, and then there's a clip that locks it in place. Right? If
Ah.
the clip is not pulled out, you're never gonna get that.
Never gonna get it. So is that you just did pull out the clip?
Yeah. No.
Should be secure.